What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video, and today real quick making this quick video for you guys. So basically I want to give you guys quick update on basically what's going on, and I always like to keep you guys up to date about like the videos I'll be making in future. And also I want to show you guys if I do pick up any hardware or if I change anything. So today I want to give you guys quick update what I've been doing, and I did change some stuff like in my like background, you guys will see. So let me just show you guys real quick. And I was just playing Legend. Love it, like first time I was playing, and basically I'm working on one of the budget computer. Basically that computer will be only for like Apex Legend. Like you can play other games, but I want to have like a budget Apex Legend gaming computer. Now guys, as you guys know, Apex Legend is a free game you can download from Origin, and you can play. So if you didn't know, you should definitely go and download. Now let me give you guys quick tour of my room, and after that I will show you guys what I picked up, and you guys will see. All right, so first thing, some of you guys wanted to know where I shoot all my video. Here I shoot all my videos, right? So anytime I'm making guides and stuff, so basically I'm sitting here. That's my monitors, LG, it's an IPS monitor, 34-inch, 5 milliseconds, 60 hertz. Not a great monitor for gaming, but it's okay. I'm not really like a hardcore gamer, but I do like playing like Apex Legend, and I was playing Battlefield 5 before that. So that's my main computer. I run Hackintosh, and also for gaming and stuff, right? If you guys don't know, I have a i5 9600K processor in there, 16 gigs of Team Group RAM, and that's a GTX 1060 graphics card here, okay, with some RGB, all right? And the keyboard I use for my everyday work purpose, the Corsair K70, that's non-RGB, and I got my SD card reader here, got my cheap Corsair M45 mouse, works flawlessly, and I got my poster right there, and all this review sample and stuff here. Now the camera I use for shooting all my video, not most of my video, not all my video, you guys can see I have my Lumix G7 camera here. Basically I picked up this camera maybe a year or two back, like for around $650. I can shoot 4K, but I don't really shoot 4K. I can shoot 4K 30 frame, and I can shoot 1080p 60 frame. So I'm always like, I don't even shoot like 60 frame. Basically I shoot 1080p 30 frame, and yeah, that's about it. And I have a cheap shotgun microphone here I picked up like for $20 from Amazon, and this microphone is really good. If you guys want, I can leave a link in the video description for you guys. This microphone does have a very good review. There is no branding on the microphone. So I did pick up a computer today, okay, as you guys can see. That's the Asus G20 ROG, one of Asus pre-built basically. And basically I sold my AMD computer today. I'll pick up another AMD computer, and I got a really good deal on this computer. I picked up this computer with 12 gigs of RAM, and then i5 4400 CPU, and with a 1 TB hard drive. I picked up this one for around $300. It didn't come with a graphics card, okay. Now you guys can see this computer does run off 2 power supply, okay, one here, there, and then you guys can see here. So there's like 2 power brick, okay. You have to connect 2 cables, and then both of the power brick basically you have to have connected. So I think around 450. Now I had 410 watt power supply, I think. So I have a GTX 1060 there now. I was playing Apex Legend here also. You guys can see I did install Apex Legend, and also I was playing Battlefield 5 in this one. So you guys will see like a dedicated Apex Legend and Battlefield 5 gaming computer I'll make with this one. So basically around, you guys can say like around $400 gaming PC. So basically $300 I picked up this computer for, and I throw in a $100 GTX 1063 gig graphics card. So that's a $400 gaming PC. I really like how this computer look. You guys can see, like, so basically these are RGB, but I need to download the software. But you guys can see there's like a pink light underneath LED, but you guys will see like a detailed video. Now, okay, let me show you. Okay, here. So the first motherboard you guys can see here, that's the video I think I posted last. The budget $150 Hackintosh. This thing is running flawlessly. Okay, and then we have another upcoming video, Dell 790. That will be either a gaming PC or a Hackintosh. So this one right here. Okay, and then also we have the Dell 790 also have a i5 2400 CPU. I picked up for $50, no hard drive. And then this one, you guys, I think you guys did watch the video. I picked up this computer for $20, and maybe I'll throw a i5 2400 CPU in this one also. This one does have a 861 motherboard. And then here is my dedicated Xpanology NAS. I have a lot of backup in this one. Okay, you guys can see it's connected and all that. So basically, real quick, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update and show you guys what I've been doing. Really excited, guys. I got a bunch of this computer I get to work with, and basically how I get all this computer, I look for deals in OfferUp, Facebook Market, Craigslist, sometimes eBay, and that's why you guys can see I picked up that motherboard there for like what, $14, and then CPU i5 2400 for I believe like what, $24. And then that computer right here, 790, I told you guys, for like $50, the other one $20. So always look for deals. You don't have to buy a brand new computer. You can build a used computer. You can buy a used computer and throw in a graphics card, and you can save some money. Now let me show you guys. I had some like bad PC parts laying around, so computer parts. So you guys can see I have a RX 570. Basically this card is dead. I don't know why it doesn't work. So I have this card here hang on the wall, and I think kind of looks good. I don't know, you guys tell me. I think it looks good. Okay, so basically you guys will see that's like you guys, that's like the backdrop. You guys will see like every time I'm making video and I'm like sitting on this side, or if I'm making like a guidance stuff, you guys will see. And then I have all my CPUs, the box and everything there. Here's my softbox, and then a couple more graphics card here. And these are review sample I need to work on. More review sample here, and then yeah. All right, guys. Like I said, I just wanted to basically give you guys a quick update what I've been doing, and stay tuned for upcoming like guide video or like the budget gaming PC build. And if you guys still have questions about my room, you can leave in the comment. And I live in a very like really small room. You guys can see my room is really tiny. It's not all that big, but I enjoy making content for you guys, and I love YouTube. Okay, I love you guys, so that's what I like doing. So that should be it, guys. See you guys next one. Peace.